Hey guys, so quick one here. If your phone speaker is very low, even when you try increasing to the highest volume,
Don't go and waste your money trying to fix it. Rather, let me show you how you can fix it yourself.
So rather head to your TikTok account,
What?
the search bar, and search speaker cleaner. So after loading, click on the first icon you see there. Once you click on it, you increase to the highest volume and listen to it.
and if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the plus sign to follow, like, comment and share. Thank you.